a student of academic theology, and a radio analyst on the program Nyamesumu Ihwemu on Fox FM every Sunday from 8 to 10 in Kumasi, with the major and popular radio host of Eyasubontin. My question is, we have a problem with the book of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John as not being the Gospels of Jesus Christ. So where is the Gospel of Jesus Christ? And then I have a problem with the songs of Solomon.
Wait. One question at a time.
Yes, sir.
You are a Muslim, not a non-Muslim.
Yes.
Non-Muslim, I give chance. Muslim, only one question.
Yeah, okay.
The brother said we have a problem with Gospel of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. We want Gospel of Jesus, peace be upon him. We Muslims believe in the Injil, the Gospel, the Wahi, which was given to Isa alayhi salam. What we have in the Bible, the 4 canonical books, the first 4 books of the New Testament, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, they do not know who the author is. So they say it's the Gospel according to Matthew, Gospel according to Mark, Gospel according to Luke, Gospel according to John. What we Muslims believe is Gospel according to Isa alayhi salam, Gospel according to Jesus, and there's no Gospel. We believe in the Wahi, the revelation, which was revealed to Jesus, peace be upon him. What we have in the Bible is the books written according to Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, which we don't consider as prophets of God. When they get us the Gospel according to Jesus, peace be upon him, we can analyze, but they don't have it. Hope that